Hello guys, welcome to my channel Think Large. So today we are going to discuss various multiple choice questions related to food science and technology, specifically related to nutrition. So let's get started. The first question is the number of calories you can eat each without gaining weight depends on your option A, hunger, option B, activity level, option C, environment, option D, appetite. And the right answer is option B, activity level. So the number of calories you can eat each without gaining weight is basically depends on your activity level. As everyone requires different amount of energy each day depending on their age, gender, size, and specifically activity level. So, and calories requirements may also vary among similar active individuals due to difference in their activity level. So basically activity level is the most important point when we count calories in our daily diet. And one can estimate total energy needs from an assessment of overall activity level. Maybe it depends on, it may be high activity level, lower, moderate. It depend on that. So the next question is, what should be reduced in diet to prevent hypertension? Option A, salt. Option B, fibrous food. Option C, green vegetables. Option D, fruits. And the right answer is option A, salt. So basically salt should be reduced in diet to prevent hypertension, because eating too much salt in this is the main single biggest cause of high blood pressure. The more salt you eat, the higher your blood pressure will be. Because sodium encourages your body to retain fluid, which can increase the fluid volume of your blood and raise blood pressure. So basically sodium is essential for regulating blood pressure, so always check your salt intake. Next question, which of the following has the highest glycemic index? Option A, ice cream. Option B, cucumber. Option C, bread. And option D, dextrose. And the right answer is option D, dextrose. Dextrose scores 100 on the glycemic index as it raises blood glucose levels very quickly, and comparatively sucrose and fructose score is 65 and 19 on the GI scale. And also dextrose is about 20% less sweet tasting than sucrose, which is why sucrose is often used as a sweetener in produced foods. Next question, name the 3 minerals present in the greatest amounts in cereal grains like wheat, millet, and brown rice. Option A, sodium, carbonate and bisulfate. Option B, zinc, mercury and copper. Option C, calcium, iron and phosphorus. Option D, potassium, magnesium and calcium? And the right answer is option D, potassium, magnesium and calcium. So basically potassium, magnesium and calcium are the three main minerals present in the greatest amounts in cereal grains like wheat, millet and brown rice. Next question. Which among the following has the highest glycemic index? Option A, grapes. Option B, mango. Option C, orange. Option D, watermelon. And the right answer is option D, watermelon. So among the following, watermelon has the highest glycemic index as watermelon contains natural sugars and therefore they can raise blood sugar levels. But it's safe to eat in moderation and especially when paired with protein or fiber to prevent sharp spikes. Next question. Which of these fats can increase your risk of heart disease? Option A, polyunsaturated fats. Option B, monounsaturated fats. Option C, monounsaturated fats and polyunsaturated fats. Option D, trans fats and saturated fats. And the right answer is option D, trans fats and saturated fats can increase your risk of heart disease. So basically your body needs healthy fats for energy and other functions. But too much saturated fat or trans fats can cause cholesterol to build up in your arteries, blood vessels. So saturated fats raise your LDL, bad cholesterol. LDL is a bad cholesterol. So high amount of LDL cholesterol increase your risk of heart disease and stroke. So basically a diet high in trans fats or saturated fats basically raises the risk of heart disease and stroke. So always consume good fats which helps to increase your HDL, which is a good cholesterol. Next question. Diabetics are at increased risk of heart disease if they also option A, smoke. Option B, have high HDL cholesterol. Option C, are physically active. Option D, consume a high fiber diet. And the right answer is option A, smoke. So if you have diabetes and you smoke, you are more likely to have serious health problems from diabetes including heart disease, kidney disease, or poor blood flow in the legs and feet that can lead to infections, ulcers, and possible amputations. So if diabetics are also smoke, if they also smoke, then they are increased risk of heart disease. Next question. Which one of the following health benefits would result from regular walking? Option A, increased blood pressure. Option B, decreased risk of heart disease. Option C, increased resting heart rate. Option D, decreased life expectancy. And the right answer is option B, decreased risk of heart disease. So basically regular walking can help you to maintain a healthy weight and lose body fat, prevent or manage various conditions including heart disease, stroke, high blood pressure, cancer or type 2 diabetes. Overall, it improves your cardiovascular fitness, strengthens your bones and muscles, and also helps to improve your muscle endurance. So just 30 minutes walking every day can increase your cardiovascular fitness and reduce excess body fat and also boost your muscle power. So regular walking is very beneficial for your body. Next question. Nutritional information is not required for which one of the following products? Option A, pickles. Option B, soft drinks. Option C, bread. Option D, biscuit. And the right answer is option A, pickles. So pickles are low in fat and calories, but rich in some vitamins and minerals, but they are usually high in sodium. Next question. Select from the following a group of eatables, each member of which is rich in iron. Option A, amla, spinach and jaggery. Option B, amla, cabbage and tomato. Option C, cabbage, amla and spinach. Option D, jaggery, amla and tomato. And the right answer is option A, amla, spinach and jaggery. So basically amla, spinach and jaggery are rich source of iron for the human body. These sets of eatables are rich in iron, as green vegetables are also rich in iron, and iron helps in making the hemoglobin in the blood. So deficiency of iron causes the basically disease called anemia. So amla, spinach and jaggery are a group of eatables, each member of which is rich in iron. Next question. Dash is necessary for the utilization and retention of calcium and phosphorus. Option A, vitamin A. Option B, vitamin C. Option C, vitamin D. And option D, vitamin K. And the right answer is option C, vitamin D. So basically when the human body is exposed to sunlight, the epidermal layer of the skin usually begins to synthesize vitamin D. The body requires vitamin D in order to absorb calcium, phosphorus, both of which are necessary for strong bones. So the primary job of vitamin D is to maintain the body's calcium and phosphorus levels by encouraging their absorption from the kidneys and intestines. Only 10 to 15% of calcium and 50 to 60% of phosphorus can be absorbed from absorbed from food when there is a vitamin D deficiency. So basically vitamin D is necessary for the utilization and retention of calcium and phosphorus. Next question. About half of your diet should be made up of option A, grains and vegetables. Option B, fruits and milk. Option C, milk and cheese. Option D, fat and sugars. And the right answer is option A, grains and vegetables. Basically, the whole grain foods are good choices for the nutritious diet. Whole grains, fruits and vegetables will provide fiber, vitamins, minerals and other nutrients which help to control cholesterol level, weight and blood pressure, and these food also help in the lower the risk of diabetes, heart disease, and other conditions. Next question. Which of these is required on the food label? Option A, carbohydrate. Option B, vitamin C. Option C, calcium. Option D, vitamin D. And the right answer is option A, carbohydrates. Total carbohydrates on the label includes all three types of carbohydrates with sugar, starch and fiber. So it's important to use the total grams when counting calories. So basically carbohydrates is mainly required on the food label. Next question. The milk, cheese and yogurt group are important for option A, strong bones, option B, teeth, option C, muscle, and option D, all of the above. And the right answer is option D, all of the above. So basically milk, cheese, yogurt or especially milk mainly rich in calcium, and calcium is a mineral, a nutrient that you need in small amounts to keep your body healthy. Calcium has many important jobs to build and maintain strong bones. Your body stores almost all of its calcium in your bones and teeth to keep them strong. So, if you like or want the multiple choice questions on any specific topic, then comment down below. Thank you.